All right, welcome to the channel. I got Yen from Denmark. He's going to tell us how to apply for a visa online, and he's in Denmark. So let's see what he has to say.
How to apply for this tourist visa 60 days in Thailand. You can do it from home, from your home country, but not all countries are available in the online application. Anyway, I'm from Denmark, so I can apply, but I will show you how to see if you are available on the list of countries that can apply for the Thailand tourist visa. When you travel to Thailand, you have 30 days and you don't need any kind of visa for visiting Thailand for
30
below
days.
30 days.
Okay.
But if you want to stay in Thailand for more than 30 days, this visa, e-visa, that you can apply online, you can do from your home country. You don't need to go to the immigration when you are in Thailand. You only have to show the paper, your 60 days tourist visa that I show you how to apply for in this video when you arrive to Thailand, and then you can stay for 60 days without going to the immigration of any kind. So that's very nice, and it's actually not that expensive. So, but let me tell you more about that later in this video. Anyway, welcome to Jan Travel Thailand. That's me, who is Jan, and I have been living in Thailand for 2.5 years, for 8 years ago. And then I have been visiting Thailand about 20 times the last 8 years. So that's my experience with Thailand. But let's go into this Thailand tourist visa and see how easy it is to apply. Online you can do the online application up to, I think, 2 or 3 months before you go to Thailand, and the application will be when you press send and pay the price for the Thailand tourist visa, then you can expect from 2 days to maybe 6 or 8 days. If you go for 30 days, just travel to Thailand and go for 30 days. If you want to stay more than 30 days, you need to go to the immigration and apply for 30 days more. But in this way, you can apply and don't need to think about anything about the immigration for 60 days. And you maybe ask, can anyone apply for a 60 days tourist visa in Thailand online? No, not everyone can do that. So, but you will see that in the application form online. So you can see if your country is available for doing the online application for the 60 days Thailand tourist visa, also called e-visa. If your country is not on the list to apply for a Thailand tourist visa 60 days, then you have to contact your embassy in your home country and then apply that way. So that is a way to do it if your country is not available on the list to do the online application. But first I will give you a list of all the documents you need to have ready when you are doing the application online to the Thailand tourist visa 60 days. First you need to take a photo of your information page on your passport, and the information page is the one with your photo and the passport number and all that. Then you need to take a photo of your travel pages with the stamps from where you have been traveling within the last 12 months. You only need the last 12 months stamps to show in this application, and save it as a JPEG or a PDF to put it into the application form. Then you need a passport photo with a white background, not this background, but a white background up against a wall or something like that. Or if you have your original passport photo from your passport, you can use that too. Then you also need a photo of yourself holding up your passport information page next to your face. Then you need a copy of your hotel confirmation, you know, that you get from hotels.com or Agoda or something like that. You need that as a PDF or JPEG file. Take a photo on your phone if you want and put it in to use that in your application. You also need your flight confirmation, your e-ticket from your flight that you ordered online or where you ordered it from.
Right.
And they need all the pages on that e-ticket. That means that you need to show both the travel to Thailand and back from Thailand in the same document. Then you need a proof of your finance. That can be a bank statement printed out, take a photo and show that you have at least 20,000 baht, Thai baht, 20,000 Thai baht in your account. You need a proof of your residence, your address in your home country, but you can also take your contract from your apartment or your house or anything that prove your address in your home country. And to save these files, you need to save them either as a JPEG or as a PDF file, and save them in a folder on your computer, in the same folder, so when you need it, you are going to the application form online, then you can drag and drop them into that application and do the fast application. So now you are ready to start the application for the Thailand tourist visa 60 days, e-visa. So let's go into that and take a look on my computer here.
I just made a $27 ebook in 2 minutes using AI. Watch how I did it so you can do it too.
So you need to go into this website that you see in the left top corner up here. To this website you will find the application form for the e-visa, Thailand tourist visa 60 days. Over here in the right top corner you have to sign in or create account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account here, and you see you only need to put in your first name, family name, nationality, phone number and email, and make a password. I already have an account, so I will sign in like you do up here. So we are into the dashboard of the Thai e-visa official website application, and we just have to press this to see if we are allowed to make an application for this visa. So this blue box here, just press that, and then we have to show the travel documents holder of a country. So this country for me is Denmark, so I have to find Denmark here, and then I have to find it's also in Denmark. If I was in another country than Denmark, I have to put in that choose that country. And then next to this it say submit to Royal Thai Embassy in Copenhagen. This is my country, Denmark. Down here you have a purpose of visit, and I can choose from a list here. Ordinary passport, travel document, yes. And then it say here visa type, tourist visa, and purpose of visit, tourist, leisure. So number of entries, this is a single entry. If I have to go for multiple entries, I choose that, but this is a single entry, and then I press next, and then I have to put in all my documents. Here I have to put in a JPEG. Yeah, as I told you before, all the documents you have to just fill out here, and you have to fill out gender, title, first name, last name, and phone number, and country. All this you have to fill out. You also have to put in your occupation, or if you are retired or something like that. All these types of information. On the way on this application here, you will be asked for that you need a document for this and that, and you can only say I'm only traveling as a tourist, and make a document of that, sign it, put your name and sign it, and attach that. And when you're finished, you can go in and pay the price for this e-visa, and the price in Denmark is 250 Danish crowns. I think it's in pounds, English pounds, it's 30 pounds, and you can find out how many, how much it is in your country.
Okay.
So this is all the documentation you have to fill out in the e-visa, and when you press send and you have filled in your credit card information, then you have to wait. It can take 2 days, it can take 8 days, 6 days. I have a friend that used it for 1 month ago, 2 weeks ago, and he said he had the answer. He's from Denmark, and he had the answer back, the e-visa, tourist visa for 60 days within 2 days, 2 work days. After you get your Thailand tourist visa for 60 days, you can print it out. I think you will get it as a PDF or something like that. You have to print it out and put it in your phone or your laptop or what you bring on your vacation in Thailand, and then you have to show that when you go to the airport, when you arrive in Thailand, and have that document printed out and ready to show in the immigration. So this was my video about how to fill out the Thailand tourist e-visa application for 60 days. I hope you can use it for your next vacation if you need to go for more than 30 days in Thailand. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, Jan Travel Thailand. Give it a like, and I will see you in my next video.
Okay. All right, that's pretty good. That was pretty good what he did, and he did tell us we got to go to that website. So you can always go back and look at that website and make sure that you get the website all taken care of and go on it. And yeah, and you got to check and see how much it costs. Of course, you know, he said his was in Danish pounds or something like that, the English pound. I'm just gonna have so much fun. Okay, so yes, so that's all we got to do, and that is for going to Thailand. And who knows? When this was done, it was quite a little bit ago, but probably might not even need to have a visa to go for 30 days. Yeah, at first he was saying that not 30 days, but you got to check and see if the United States is on that list that he has on that that's on that website. Okay. All right. So thank you for coming, and you have a nice day.